So 1.8 is pretty much review, and it's a very quick section. So the first one says if secant of theta is 5/3 and theta is between 270 and 360, which means it's in quadrant 4, right? Because this is 270 and this is 360, so theta has to be in quadrant 4. You want to find sine, cosine, tangent. So because I'm given that secant of theta is equal to 5/3, the first thing I'm going to do is find cos theta, which is 3/5. That way I can know what the adjacent and the hypotenuse is. So I know that theta, remember theta is always made with the x-axis and the terminal side, okay? Always with the x-axis and the terminal side. If this is theta, then the adjacent side is 3 and the hypotenuse is 5. But we're still missing the opposite side. We're missing the vertical side. So I'm going to say that a squared plus b squared equals to c squared. This is 9 plus y squared equals 25. Y squared equals to 16, which means y is 4. But because we're going in the negative direction, y will be negative 4. Okay, once we have that, we know that sine of theta is opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine of theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. And tangent of theta is opposite over adjacent. That's it. Let's do the next one, number 2. Find sine, cosine, tangent of 330 by using the unit circle and a reference angle. So 330 degrees, that's going to be 90, plus 90 is 180, plus 90 is 270. Now, if you take 330 minus 270, that'll be 60 degrees. So we have to go 60 more degrees to get to 270. Remember that our reference angle is always made with the terminal side and the x-axis. So this is going to be theta prime, our reference angle, and theta prime will be 30 degrees. Since this is 60, this has to be 30. Okay, so what we're going to do is on the unit circle, we are going to make our reference triangle with theta prime equal to 30 degrees. Now the ordered pair for 30 degrees, this one, is going to be radical 3 over 2 and 1/2. However, because the x is positive but the y is negative, so this is going to be a negative 1/2. Then from there, we know that sine of 330 is going to be the y value, which is going to be negative 1/2. So this will be the value of sine. Cosine of 330 will be the x value, which is going to be radical 3 over 2. And then the tangent of 330 is going to be the numerator of the y value, which is negative 1, divided by the numerator of the x value, which is going to be radical 3. So that's like your opposite over adjacent, your y over x. And then if you rationalize that, we get negative radical 3 over 3. And that is the shortest section ever.